Well, folks, it's been a long week. Time to grab you a brew. Sit on back and enjoy some NewBQ.
Welcome to NewBQ.
Welcome back, NewBQers. Welcome back to another cold and dreary Sunday afternoon. We're cooking up a pork butt today. We're going to throw it on the Weber. We're going to get it out here. We're going to get it trimmed up and seasoned. I'm not going to inject it this weekend. I wanted to inject it, but I don't have a store-bought injection to just make up. And I looked up some recipes, and I was going to do it that way. But then I thought, you know what? Let's just see how good of a job I can do it without injecting it. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna get it out here, get this pork butt out here. We're gonna get it seasoned up, cut up, whatever, throw that sucker on the Weber, and we're gonna get it cooked up for you this weekend. It's, like I said, it's cold, and I don't really want to be out here all that much, but I'm doing it for you guys. I also want a pork butt. I also want some pulled pork. I've been looking forward to it for a while. Man, English is rough, guys. So anyway, let's get that sucker out here. Let's get it cut up, seasoned, and stick it on this Weber. Alright, folks, so I was getting ready to put my meat thermometer in, and it died. So I guess we're using this. We're going to use this little instant read thermometer. We're going to try it every little bit. We'll test the internal temperature. But I don't know. It's going to be interesting. It's going to be real interesting trying to do this without a actual meat thermometer that plugs in and runs the whole time and tells you the internal temperature the complete time I'm cooking. So maybe I can make some phone calls, see if I can come up with one. But anyway, the meat is on. As you can tell, it is on and it's cooking. We're just going to let it go for a while, probably an hour, and then I'll come check the temperature on it. Probably going to check the temperature on it about every hour until I get close, and then it'll be like every half hour. So anyway, see you guys in a minute. Alright, so we're going to check the temp on this thing. I'm for certain it's nowhere near done, but we're going to check the temp, make sure we got enough charcoal, and then put the lid back on it, go back inside. So I'm gonna sit you guys down. That way I can check it with this, since I don't have my other temp gauge to go by. All right. Here we go. Whew. It's like curled up. Wow. Well, 145. It's kind of weird that it curled up though. I've never seen that happen before. Maybe it did a little hot. I don't know. Alright. Well, put the lid back on it, I guess. Alright, well, I've never had one curl like that. I must have it too hot. Hopefully that's all it is. Anyway, we're just gonna keep her going. She's not there yet. So anyway, we'll check back in a little bit. Okay. It's still not working. I'm trying to get this thing to work. It's not working. So I'm gonna make a quick change in plans because my pork butt curled up and it's kind of getting a little burned around the edge. I'm going to put it in a pan, and hopefully that pan will kind of protect it from getting any more burned. I want a good bark, but I don't know if I just got it too hot or what. Without my thermometer or my temperature, my meat temp probe thing, I don't know what happened. I don't know if it got too hot or what the deal was. So without that, I don't know. So anyway, I'm gonna put it in the pan real quick, and we'll put it back on. The best way to pull this up. Alright, here we go. Throw it back on. Also, if you guys never had meat claws before, you gotta get you some good ones. These are stainless with nice wood handles. These are awesome. They actually have like a bottle opener thing here, and then I'm not sure what that thing is, but it's sharp. But anyway, get you some of these. All right, so we have it back on. Okay, looks pretty good, but I've never had one curl up on me. It's actually, you know, you can fold them out and lay them flat and all that, but I've never had one like curl up on me. That's kind of weird, but whatever, we're gonna go with it. I'm gonna put the lid back on, hopefully keep her going for a little bit longer. All right, so I think we should pull it off. I think we're gonna pull it off. We're gonna pull it up. I'm just gonna pull it off the grill, take it inside here, and we'll pull it all apart, let you see what it looks like. And then I'm just gonna take it inside. I'm gonna let it kind of rest a little bit, and then I'm gonna put it in like Ziploc bags and stuff, because I'm not gonna eat it right now. I'm gonna eat it later on, probably through the week. So I may even take a picture of a sandwich I make with it or something. I don't know. But anyway, that's pretty much gonna be it for this. Like I said, I'm gonna take it in here and pull it up. I'll show you guys that real quick, and then we're gonna call it a day. All right, gonna use my meat claws, and we're going to claw this sucker apart. Basically, gonna tear it all up. Alright guys, that'll do it for me this week. I'm not ready to do anything with that meat. Otherwise I'd like, you know, make a sandwich and show you, oh look, this is how I make my sandwich. But I'm not ready. I'm really just making that more for me to eat through the week, that kind of thing, us to eat here. But anyway, it turned out pretty good. It was pretty tasty. So I did a little taste of it. But it's all pulled, I put it in the bowl. And that's it. That's all I'm going to do for it, or do for you this week. I got to work on my talking skills, apparently. Anyway, that's it. I'm done. I'm going inside. You guys need to follow me on Instagram. Follow me on Facebook. NewBQ 2020 on both of those. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video. Hit the little notification bell. That way you can get notified every Wednesday at 3 o'clock when I upload a video. But anyway, we'll see you guys next time on another episode of NewBQ Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. Peace.